Good morning. Today we are embarking on an exciting day trip from Amsterdam to the charming city of Brugges, Belgium. Known for its picturesque canals and medieval architecture, Brugges promises a day filled with history, culture, and delightful Belgian treats. Let's go. Here's my last train, taking a day trip from Amsterdam to Belgium, to Brugges, an old town city. I have to catch 3 trains, and in between trains I only have like 5 minutes to walk from one platform to another. So this is my final train. After a comfortable ride, we arrived in Brugges. I have arrived in Brugges. Now I will need to find the old town. I would like to use my GPS. Let's see whether my GPS works. I actually don't need the GPS. I just need to follow the crowd. It seems that a lot of people are just going there in the direction of the old town. I have reached the old town of Brugges, Belgium, after 3.5 hours from Amsterdam and 3 trains. Our first stop is the market square, the heart of the city, surrounded by historic buildings and the imposing belfry tower. The 83-meter high tower from the 13th century is one of the most iconic landmarks of the old city. Those who climb the 366 stairs will be rewarded with an impressive view of Brugges and the surrounds. From the tower, you see the keyboard now used for the 47 bells, which you are hearing right now. I'm at the main square here. When I visit Europe, I always make it a point to look for medieval towns because I always find these buildings very charming. They are more than 100 years old. This is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So take a look at these buildings. Next, we take a leisurely stroll along Brugges' famous canals. These waterways not only offer beautiful views, but also a glimpse into the city's medieval past. This restaurant by the canal, I think, is the one that I used to have the mussels many years ago. Yep, that is the kind of mussel in a pot. This is what I've been craving for. Mussels in a pot with garlic and white wine. I had this quite a number of years ago, and I promised that if I ever return to Brugges, I'll try this again. Very good. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know. So is this the season for the mussels?
Now it's coming slowly and slowly.
Okay, so sometimes for Holland, sometimes from Belgium.
It depends where it's cheaper.
So how about just now the one? Do you know?
I guess this is from Holland, I guess.
Holland. What a joke. I came all the way from Holland to Belgium to taste the mussels that came from Holland. After the hearty meal, I made my way to another of Brugges' famous tradition. I remembered when I visited the city many years ago, I saw a few old ladies creating handmade lace by the streets. I was told by the staff at the tourist information that the last of the ladies had passed on recently. Now the only way to see this century-old craft is to visit the Lace Museum. Housed in a beautiful former lace school, the museum showcases intricate pieces, and you also have the chance to observe some of these ladies doing the craft as a hobby. It's fascinating to see how they use simple tools like needles to keep the thread in place and the immense patience needed to craft a complete piece of masterpiece. Belgium is home to famous cartoon characters like the Smurfs and Tintin, and of course the famous chocolate. I couldn't leave the city without getting some of the sweet treats. As the sun begins to set, I make my way back to the train station for the long journey back to Amsterdam. But luck was not on my side. I heard there was a train fault, so the train was delayed and delayed and delayed, and eventually changed platform and eventually cancelled. So now I'm finding alternative train, hoping to catch the next one. It's supposed to depart in about 5 minutes. Train has arrived. The audio has not ended. For my next train, the delay was even worse. I tried the alternative to the train ride by taking the bus that would bring me across the border. When the bus arrived, hundreds of people were eager to get on the one bus. I knew this wouldn't work out for me, so I quickly returned to the train station. I was that lucky that upon boarding the train, it finally left the platform after a delay of 3 hours. As I watched the sunset, I enjoyed the liquor-filled chocolate and said bye-bye to the beautiful city of Brugges. Thanks for joining me on this journey from Amsterdam to Brugges.
Then I'll be at your door when I'll be coming home.
Follow my channel for more travel adventures.
I plan to